tired of sending the same cold email to everyone? Welcome back to GetReplies. Let's fix that. Today, we'll see how you can create hyper-personalized messaging for each prospect without any hassle of going through every profile. Let's get started.
Open up the message in the sequence wherein you want to add personalization. Click on Add Personalization. Enter a desired name for your personalization variable. Now, under the personalization prompt, enter the instruction to the AI agent to generate personalized content. Here you can use the default available variables or use the custom fields that we created in our last video. Once that's done, add a fallback text. This will be used if personalization fails, typically due to missing data for the added variables. Click on Add to save the newly created AI personalization variable. You can preview the output of the newly created variable by using the preview option. Voila! The variable is working and we can see the personalized message. If you want to edit the prompt, click on the variable to open up the personalization pop-up. You can access this variable again by typing / or from the Insert Variable option. Now you can start reaching out to your leads using hyper-personalized messaging to break the ice.